Everyone, I know it's been a while, but here I am with another video. Today I'm going to show you a content management system that I've been working on. It's actually the paste CMS that you probably have seen in another video of mine, but uh, I have been rewriting its source code from scratch. Uh, so here is the new version of it. So it sort of works the same. I don't think that paste CMS had posts, but let me show you how to create pages. So how it works is you build themes and then you select which theme to use in your configuration file. So right now I have downloaded a HTML5 template from some website, and I just turned it into a theme. So let's create a page. Let's create a start page. And as you can see here, I can select a template, and those templates comes from the theme that I am using, and the theme structure looks like this. Example theme, and then I have some templates, and as you can see, all of those templates are listed here. So let's use the index and use as a start page. Save. And now I can click here to edit that page, and as you can see, I can edit the contents of this page. And as you saw, I used the index.html template, which is here. And if we look in that file and look at how it looks, you can see that it just consists of a p tag. So basically, when you create templates, you just create a tag and you put the class editable on it and an ID, and then that tag will become editable. So now I can go to this page, edit, and I can write cool stuff, and I can also do this type of stuff, and then I can save, and if I reload the page, that text is still there. So that's how that is working. But so yeah, I want to create a news page too, a news feed. So let's create another page, news feed, and I'm going to use the newsfeed.html. I'm not going to put that because this is not a start page. I'm going to save. And let's look how the newsfeed.html template looks like. There's a little bit more HTML in here, but as you can see, there is a loop here for post in postvacator.getAll. So it's basically just looping through all posts and printing out their values, name and created at, and stuff like that. So all right. So if I click edit on site, I don't think anything here will be editable, no. But if I create a post now, create post, let's call this my first post. This is the content of my first post, and I click save changes. And if I view this post, I will get to this post, but if I go to newsfeed, that post will be listed here. And I can also create another post, yo-yo, the content of yo-yo, and I wanted to use the post.html template so that if I visit it, I will go to the single post template, and that template just looks like this. Anyways, now if we go to newsfeed, we should have 2 posts here. My first post and yo-yo. Cool. So that's basically it. And you can also, pages can have custom fields. So if I create another page here, and let's call this blah, and we use the generic.html, save, you can see that another thing appeared here, template fields, image, and I can choose a file. That is because the theme has a generic.json file as well. So if you create a template called, for example, profile.html, and then you create another file next to it called profile.json, you can specify custom fields for that page. So in my generic.json, I have one field, image, and it's the type asset, right? And there's currently only one type right now, and it's assets. There will be strings and stuff like that later too. So if I choose a file here, and let's do this one, and I save changes, you can see if I visit this page, it will show here. And this is because the generic.html file looks like this, and I do page.getField image.filename, right? So I could add another file here if I wanted to by doing and let's do page.getField funny image dot file name, and we need to add that field in the JSON as well. So we could just do that, and we do that, and we have, there we go. If I refresh, if I go to admin and go to that page again, we should have another field here now too, and I can change that file if I want to. Let's do a funny dog picture. Save. And now if I visit this site, I should have that image there as well. So that is how custom fields work. I'm going to remove that for now though, because I don't want it. Cool. So that's basically it.